Hello, hello Team Grant. Blessed morning po. Dahil Saturday ngayon ay playtime na naman ang ating baby Jamie sa Yas Mall. Pero dahil meron daw munang bibilhin si Daddy sa Wearmart, kaya rarampa muna kami sa Wearmart.
Yeah.
Grumpy girl, dalian na.
Cinnamon toast. Oh, I forgot cinnamon toast, Jim Jim. You'll love 'em. Hi. My keys.
Ikaw muna. Yes, of course, baby. Meron kasing project sa school si baby Jamie, kaya naisipan namin na bilhan na muna siya ng mga kakailanganin bago kami pumunta ng Yas Mall mamaya. Kasi for sure, mauubos na naman yung oras namin sa mall. So let's go guys, samahan nyo kaming mag-ikot-ikot sa loob.
I want to buy a toy here.
Yeah.
You'll come with me so you keep me safe. I want to buy toy.
You know what? This might work.
Yeah.
If they had just all blue, that would be nice. And this clear, right? Clear plastic glue, like good for this.
You want to stick this one
Yeah.
together? How to like that one?
No, like cut, and then make.
Oh yeah, she got her new puppet.
That's the song. How does she remember that? We did that last month, and she still remembers the song exactly. I love it.
So ayan na nga guys, medyo napadami naman ang mga nakuha ni Sen, mga pinamili. At ang baby Jamie, syempre hindi makakalimot ng kanyang ice cream. And syempre ako rin. So pag uwi nga namin ng bahay guys, ay bihis ulit. And then, rampa na kami papunta ng Yas Mall. Sobrang convenient lang talaga ng bagong place namin ngayon kasi malapit talaga siya sa lahat. So, hindi na mahirap ang pumunta lagi sa mall, lalo na sa Yas Mall dahil yun talaga ang favorite na mall ni Jamie. At in less than 10 minutes nga lang po ay nakarating naman kami agad dito sa mall. Let's go guys! Jamie! Go down, dali! Very good. Thanks for watching, guys. God bless you all.